Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a highly popular and lightweight racket designed for players seeking power, control, and ease of use. It is an excellent choice for beginners, intermediate players, or those looking for a racket that minimizes arm strain without compromising performance. One of the standout features of the T.S6 is its ultralight construction, weighing only 8.9 ounces, strung. This lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, enabling quicker swings and better control during gameplay. The racket is constructed with a durable titanium and graphite composite, ensuring strength and stability while keeping the weight low. The oversized head size of 115 square inches provides a larger sweet spot, making it forgiving on off-center hits and ideal for players still refining their technique. It delivers excellent power, making it easier to generate forceful shots with less effort. The racket's beam width of 28.5 mm also enhances its power potential, giving players an advantage in both baseline and net play. The extended length of 27.75 inches offers additional reach for returns and serves, allowing players to cover more ground on the court. Its open string pattern, 16x19, promotes spin generation, giving users better control over their shots and adding versatility to their game. Pre-strung for convenience, the T.S6 is ready to use straight out of the box, making it perfect for players who want to hit the court immediately. Its combination of power, lightweight design, and comfort makes it a fantastic option for recreational players or those returning to the game after a break. Overall, the Head T.S6 tennis racket is a versatile and reliable racket that caters to a wide range of players, offering exceptional power, maneuverability, and comfort for an enjoyable playing experience. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex Eone 100 7th Gen tennis racket is a premium choice designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking a balanced combination of power, control, and comfort. Known for its innovative technology and sleek design, this racket is ideal for players who want precision and playability. The 100 square inch head size provides a forgiving sweet spot, allowing for consistent power and accuracy even on off-center hits. Its standard 27-inch length and strung weight of approximately 11.2 ounces strike a perfect balance between stability and maneuverability, making it suitable for versatile play styles. One of the standout features of the Eone 100 is its 7th generation design, which incorporates Yonex's isometric technology. This unique head shape optimizes the string bed, expanding the sweet spot for greater forgiveness and enhanced shot precision. The racket also features 2G and AMD speed graphite, which improves frame flex for better ball pocketing and increased energy transfer, delivering impressive power and control. Comfort is further enhanced by the inclusion of vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle, which minimizes vibrations and reduces arm fatigue, making it suitable for extended play sessions. The racket's open string pattern, 16x19, promotes excellent spin potential, giving players the ability to control and add variety to their shots. The Yonex Eone 100 is pre-strung for convenience, offering a ready-to-play experience for those eager to get on the court. It's an excellent all-around racket that performs well from the baseline and at the net, providing a mix of power, spin, and touch. Overall, the Yonex Eone 100 7th Gen tennis racket is a high-performance option that caters to players looking for a versatile and reliable racket with advanced technologies and superior comfort. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 tennis racket is a high-performance choice designed for intermediate to advanced players who value precision, spin, and control. With its advanced features and sleek aesthetic, the racket is tailored for players who like to dominate the game with aggressive shot-making and feel. This racket has a 98 square inch head size, offering excellent control and responsiveness, while its 16 by 19 open string pattern provides exceptional spin potential, making it ideal for players who want to add topspin or slice to their shots. The unstrung weight of approximately 10.8 ounces and 27-inch length provide a balanced combination of stability and maneuverability, ensuring smooth handling during both baseline rallies and net play. The Blade V9 features Wilson's Feel Flex technology, an innovation that integrates strategically placed carbon mapping throughout the frame. This enhances the racket's flexibility and connection with the ball, giving players superior feel and responsiveness. Additionally, the racket's revised beam construction increases frame stability, ensuring more controlled and consistent strokes. Another standout feature is the ergonomic end cap, which improves comfort and adds an extra layer of playability, making extended matches less taxing on the arm. Its sleek green to black fade design is visually striking, offering a modern and professional look on the court. The Blade 98 V9 is unstrung, giving players the flexibility to customize the string tension and type to suit their preferences. This allows for personalization of power, control, and spin based on individual playing styles. In summary, the Wilson Blade 98 16 by 19 V9 tennis racket is an excellent choice for competitive players seeking precision, spin, and a premium feel. Its advanced technologies and design cater to players who want to perform at their best with confidence and style. Number 4. Best tennis racket for power. The Selinko Blackout 300 tennis racket is a power-oriented racket designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking a balance of explosive power, spin, and stability. With a focus on enhancing aggressive baseline play, this racket is a standout for those who want to dominate with powerful ground strokes and effective spin. The 100 square inch head size offers a forgiving sweet spot while maintaining excellent control and precision. Weighing 300 grams, 10.6 ounces, unstrung, the racket provides a solid blend of maneuverability and stability, making it easy to swing while still delivering impressive plow-through on shots. Its 16 by 19 string pattern enhances spin potential, giving players the ability to hit heavy topspin or slice with confidence. One of the standout features of the Blackout 300 is its integration of 40T carbon fiber, a premium material that enhances frame stability and feel. This provides a crisp, controlled response, especially during fast-paced rallies. The racket also incorporates Power Flex Zone technology, which optimizes flex in the racket head to boost power without compromising control. The ergonomic handle shape and carefully designed balance of 6 points headlight make it comfortable for extended use, whether in long baseline exchanges or quick net play. Its bold matte black aesthetic with subtle Selinko branding adds a sleek, modern look to its performance-focused design. The Selinko Blackout 300 comes unstrung, allowing players to customize their string setup for their desired combination of power, spin, and control. It works well with polyester strings for spin-focused play or multi-filament strings for added comfort. In summary, the Selinko Blackout 300 tennis racket is a versatile, high-performance option for players looking for easy power, spin, and a responsive feel. It is particularly well-suited for aggressive players who thrive on fast-paced, attacking tennis. Number 5. Best tennis racket for control. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 tennis racket is a premium performance racket designed for advanced players seeking a blend of precision, control, and classic feel. A modern iteration of the iconic Pro Staff series, it carries forward the line's legendary heritage while incorporating cutting-edge technology for enhanced playability. With a 97 square inch head size, the racket offers a smaller sweet spot for players who prioritize accuracy and control. Its unstrung weight of 315 grams, 11.1 ounces, provides excellent stability and plow-through, making it ideal for players who like to dictate points with aggressive, well-placed ground strokes. The 16 by 19 string pattern enhances spin potential, enabling players to generate topspin and slice with ease while maintaining command over their shots. The braid 45 construction, a hallmark of the Pro Staff series, is updated in the V14 with advanced carbon fiber layering. This increases flexibility and enhances ball pocketing, delivering a more connected and controlled feel. Additionally, the racket features string mapping technology, which optimizes the density of cross strings for improved precision and responsiveness. The V14's design embraces a retro-inspired aesthetic, featuring a modern metallic finish with earth-tone accents, giving it a sophisticated and timeless look. Its headlight balance ensures excellent maneuverability at the net, making it a reliable option for all court players who frequently attack with volleys and approach shots. The ergonomic end cap and refined frame geometry provide enhanced comfort and stability during play, even in high-intensity matches. Being unstrung, players can tailor their string setup to match their preferences for power, control, or spin. In summary, the Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is perfect for experienced players seeking a classic, control-oriented racket with modern performance enhancements. It's an excellent choice for precision-focused players who value stability, feel, and the ability to dominate with pinpoint accuracy.